How to fix any blue screen error. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We've seen all the blue screen of death, and it usually happens at the worst possible time, like when you are finishing a project or studying for exams. But don't panic. Whether you are seeing critical process died, inaccessible boot device, or any other error code, I'm going to show you how to fix it today. We are going to move from the easiest fixes to the professional deep level commands. Let's get your PC back to work. If you can't get to your desktop, we need to trigger the automatic repair screen. Turn your PC off. Now turn it on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, hold the power button until it shuts down. Do this 3 times. On the first start, Windows will say preparing automatic repair. Click advanced options, then troubleshoot, and finally advanced options again. This is our command center. First, try the easiest method. Startup repair. Windows will scan your boot files and try to fix them automatically. This works about 30% of the time. If it says startup repair couldn't repair your PC, don't worry. That's why we have method 2. Click on advanced option. Click on troubleshoot, then advanced option. Now we are going to the command prompt. This is where the real work happens. Type these 3 commands exactly as you see on the screen. Boot rec space / fix mbr and press enter. And number 2, boot rec space / rebuild BSOD and press enter. And the last one, SFC, which stands for System File Checker. It looks for corrupted Windows files and replaces them with the fresh ones. There is the number 1 fix for blue screen errors caused by system errors. If your blue screen started right after a Windows update, that update is likely the culprit. Go back to the Advanced Options menu and select Uninstall Update. Start with the latest quality update. If that doesn't work, try the latest feature update. This rolls your system back to when it was actually working. If nothing else works, our final option is to reset this PC. Go back to the first menu, then click Troubleshoot and click on Reset this PC. Click on Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows but save your photos, documents, and schoolwork. It's like giving your PC a fresh start without losing your life's work. Click on Local Reinstall, then click on Reset. It will begin resetting your PC, and you'll be able to use your PC again. If one of these steps saved your PC today, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you are still stuck, leave a specific error code in the comment below. I will do my best to help you out.